Get acquainted with the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 35,000 miles on the Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, cooled front seat, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.